when people can make their own contributions to save an environment, to making some changes.
I think that each day is Earth Day, so we should do a little bit to save our planet, to make it better.
Saving the environment is not only about one day, it's every and each day of our lives.
Plant a tree, use solar power, or just ride a bicycle. It's a simple steps, but everyone can do it. It's for free and it's very easy.
You know, I've got a dream, and this dream is planting a tree because I've never planted a tree before. And I think this is a very small thing that I can contribute to greening the Astana city.
There are about 17 million people living in Kazakhstan, and if at least every person will try to plant a tree, it will help our earth to develop and remain clean and beautiful.
Earth Day for me is not only making our planet green, or it's not only planting a tree, but for me it's the unification of whole planet. Regardless of races, regardless of nations, all people unite in order to reach one aim, is to make our earth smile.
Жер күні құтты болсын!